Welcome to this section on Python installation. In this section, we shall install Python and also install Jupyter Notebook, which we shall use in running Python code. To download Python via this python.org, you simply click on this link right here, and if you have a different operating system, you could pick one from this list. Now, if you want to use previous versions of Python, say 3.8, 3.7, 3.6, you could select or pick out one of these release versions right here and then click on download. So what we'll do is we'll start with the download. There we go. Here's the downloaded file. We'll simply click on this. Comes up and we get straight into installation. You could decide to install now or go through the custom installation. Also, don't forget to add Python 3.9 to your path. So yeah, if we pick this, you decide what to install or not. From this, you could go back and install this very easily. We have here said that was successful. You could look at this online tutorial and documentation. So from this, we close. Now let's get back to the setup. So right here we have this modify, and notice here we have pip. So as we installed Python, pip was installed, and pip is what we use to download and install other Python packages, which we shall use throughout this course. But in the case where this pip wasn't installed, you have to install that on your own. So let's get back. Since we've installed this already. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yes. Now to install pip, you just simply have py get pip.py and you run that. You see it's been successfully installed. So now you could install other Python packages. Let's say, for example, NumPy, which is used in mathematical computations. So here we just have pip, then install NumPy, and there we go. So that's it. Collecting NumPy, downloading, and NumPy has been installed. Now if you do Python, you have this. You could have import NumPy. There you go. Say NumPy. You could look at the version, and that's it. So we've just installed Python and pip, and then also used pip to install a Python package, which is that of NumPy. Our next step will be to install Jupyter Notebook. So we simply have pip install Jupyter Notebook. Now that we have Jupyter Notebook installed, we could go ahead and take this folders link. So we have this, and then right here we'll simply type in Jupyter Notebook, and then we'll specify that link. Once that's done, you'll see that in your default browser you will have this page pop up. In case you don't have that pop up, you could simply copy this link right here and paste in your browser. So now what you get is this. You could see clearly this file, which was in the same folder, in the folder we just launched Jupyter Notebook from. So you have that, and then you could create a new Python 3 file right here. And there we go. We are now ready to work with Python.